Trivia Cash is one of the clearest examples of a trivia app built around cash competitions, while other apps use different reward systems instead of paying you directly for every correct answer. That difference matters when you're comparing real money trivia apps in 2026. By the end, you'll know which 5 trivia apps are worth checking, how their rewards work, and which ones are better for actual cash rather than points or gift cards. Number 5 is eJank Swagbucks. Trivia is only one part of the platform, but Swagbucks offers quizzes and other activities that can earn SB points. Those points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards. The advantage is variety. If you don't want to rely entirely on trivia, you can earn through surveys, offers, games, and other activities. Number 4 is Injinbucks Dollars. Like Swagbucks, it isn't exclusively a trivia app. It combines quizzes and other online activities into one rewards platform. Cash rewards can be requested after you meet the platform's requirements. This makes it more useful if you want several earning options rather than competitive trivia alone. Number 3 is Intrivia Kraki. The classic trivia game lets you compete across categories including science, history, entertainment, sports, and geography. However, the standard game isn't simply a cash-out trivia app, so don't confuse playing for entertainment with earning withdrawable money. Number 2 is Unkashkikan.to. Trivia and quiz-style activities can appear as part of its available earning opportunities, alongside surveys and other tasks. Rewards are tied to completing qualifying activities rather than simply answering unlimited trivia questions. That makes it better suited to someone who wants trivia as one earning method instead of the entire strategy. Number 1 is Intrivia Cashinda. This is the closest match to what people usually mean when they search for a trivia app that pays real money. The game is designed around trivia competitions where players answer questions and can compete for cash prizes when eligible. The key difference is how you get paid. Trivia Cash focuses on cash competitions, while Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Cashkick use broader reward systems, where trivia is only one part of the platform. There's also a practical catch: availability, eligibility, entry requirements, and withdrawal options can vary by country and by app. A game showing cash prizes doesn't automatically mean those competitions are available to you. So the quick ranking is Trivia Cash, Cashkick, Trivia Crack, Inbox Dollars, and Swagbucks. Before spending anything, check the current cash game and withdrawal rules inside the app, and use free options first when they're available. If this ranking helped, like the video, and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.